Hey everyone, welcome back. In this step-by-step guide, I'm going to show you how to create a workspace in ClickUp in 2026. This is perfect if you're brand new to ClickUp or setting things up for a new team. So yeah, let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the ClickUp website. Once the page loads, sign into your ClickUp account using your email and password. If you normally use SSO, just choose your provider and log in that way. After signing in, you'll land on your main ClickUp screen. Now, to create a new workspace, click on your workspace name or profile area in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Create or Join Workspace. ClickUp will now guide you through the workspace setup process. Start by entering a name for your workspace. This could be your company name, team name, or project name, whatever makes the most sense for you. After that, choose the type of workspace you're creating, like personal use, business, or a specific team type. This helps ClickUp tailor some default settings. Next, you'll be asked to invite people. You can add team members by entering their email addresses, or you can skip this step and invite them later. Yeah, don't worry, you can always manage members after the workspace is created. Now comes the setup preferences. ClickUp may ask how you plan to use the workspace, such as project management, task tracking, or collaboration. Select the options that match your goals. ClickUp will use this to suggest spaces and features automatically. Once you finish these steps, ClickUp will create your new workspace and take you to the main dashboard. From here, you can start creating spaces, setting up folders and lists, and adding tasks. This is where you build your entire workflow. It's a good idea to review workspace settings early. Head into settings to adjust permissions, notifications, and default features so everything runs smoothly for you and your team from day one. And that's it. You've successfully created a new ClickUp workspace in 2026 step by step. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tutorials. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.